So this is more from the files where a Crosstourer shouldn't go. So the GPS has got absolutely nothing, showing no roads here at all. We're close to one. This one's kind of showing, you know, I've been using this one to track, so it's kind of showing where we are. This is the Hammer map. It's much more detailed, it's much better. This is the road that we're, well, road, track, that it tells me is going to lead to another major road. I've just been at the top of that hill up there. There's a big telecom installation up there, so a big phone tower, and it's full access. We're in the Cannondale State Forest, I think it is. So this is a road. It's on the map. It's on the Hammer map here. She's pretty dodgy though. Yeah, this is going to go straight down the side of the hill. So I've put a knobby on the front of this because I just got sick of the front washing out and the ABS coming on and everything. So this will be a good test for the front brakes with the knobby on. Can't see it from here. It's just nothing flash. I just wanted to see what the bike behaved like with a knobby on the front of it. So I've still got the Tourance on the back. The Tourance is, again, it's probably more because of the weight than anything else. Yeah. I'm just not looking forward to turning around and going back up. I can't fault this, it's just doing everything it's supposed to do. It would even go up this okay, I reckon. You just can't tell from here how steep it is. Video never does doesn't translate the angle well. So according to the map, we're still on the road, and actually there's one appeared on the GPS now as well. So yeah, my greatest fear is having to get to the bottom of something like this and find I can't get through, and then having to renegotiate it all. Not that I'd have a problem going back up. I just think turning around a big heavy bike like this, certainly having to turn it around and manhandle it would be the big problem. Who needs a DRZ? Hey? As long as we don't have to turn it around, we should be okay. Well, here's an open gate. Just slow down to make sure there is no wires. Yep, we're right. I think we go this way. Stay on the track, eh? Looks like it. Where Crosstourers don't belong. Well, it's outside its design parameters a little bit. It's a long range 2-up touring bike. That's what they tout it as, that can handle unsealed roads. So it seems to do that okay. Looks like some guy's property down here. Oh. I put a big foot on the base of that. I just got sick of the bike kind of falling over a bit. The dogs are going off. That's okay. How you going? I took a wrong turn, obviously. No worries. Oh, I could see it on the map. I knew it was going somewhere, but it's just exploring. Thanks. There you go. was riding without gloves because I took them off as I was up in the tight stuff, but I'll probably stop and put them back on in a minute to get back to the main road. There we go. You probably, no, you won't be able to because of the wide angle lens, but that hump there, that large hump, comes down into that crest and then peters off. There's a telecom tower up on top of there, so that's where we were. We kind of came down around that ridge and down onto that property up in the valley there, so there is a telecom tower there. You can't see it, but yeah, no, very nice and all public, so that's good. Get the bike through this. Well, that wasn't intended, but that's what exploring is all about, right?